How to enable data saver on Instagram. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to enable data saver on Instagram. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. Then we should go to our profile just by clicking on the profile icon at the right corner at the bottom. Here we should tap on 3 lines at the top right corner. In appearing menu we need to tap on Settings at the top. Then we should find option Account and tap on it. Now just choose Data Usage. Here we need to switch on option Use Less Mobile Data. And that's all. It was how to enable data saver on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.